So, welcome to another round of storytelling. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of an elephant. This story is from the Jataka Tales. Now, this elephant, a very kind and generous elephant he was, he lived in a forest full of palm trees and a lotus pond which had water even in summer. So, the elephant had a very comfortable life. But at the far end of the pond, there was a dilapidated house, and in that house there lived a mother and her two daughters. Even though they were doing all kinds of odd jobs, they were always hungry. They never could fill their stomachs. So, I would say that their life was very miserable. And whenever the elephant went to drink water in the pond, he saw them struggling. And as I told you, he was a very kind and generous elephant. So he thought to help them out. So one day he went to their house. The mother was scared to see a big elephant standing in front of her house. She said, "Oh, elephant, please go away. We don't have anything to give you. Please don't uh, kill us." The elephant said, "Calm down, my dear lady. I have come not to ask for anything, but to give you something." So the mother said, "What are you going to give us? Some food?" The elephant said, "Yes. See my tusks. They are made of pure gold. I'm going to give you a piece of my tusk to you. You can sell it in the market and get a lot of money, and you will have a very comfortable life with that money." So he gave a small piece of his tusk to the mother. She went and sold it in the market, and voila, their life changed forever. Now they were living in a big palatial bungalow. They had many servants, ornaments, good food, good clothes to wear, and what not. Uh, but after some days, their money got over because they were overspending the money. They were leading a very lavish life. Now, when the money got over, the mother went to the elephant. She said, "Elephant, we have spent all our money. So, can you give us one piece of your tusk?" The elephant said, "Yes, of course." And remember, he was a very kind and generous elephant. So, he gave a small piece of his tusk again to the mother. The mother did the same thing. And after a few days, all her money was spent. So she again went to the elephant and asked for a piece of his tusk. This continued for a few more times. And one day she went to the elephant and said, "Elephant, I demand that you give me both your tusks. Otherwise, I am going to kill you." The elephant was alarmed. He thought, how ungrateful these people are. They are exploiting my kindness and generosity. But he somehow maintained his calm attitude and he said, "Yes, I'll give you my tusks, but give me a day to think over." The mother said, "Yes, I'll give you a day, but tomorrow morning, if you are not going to give us your tusks, you will be finished." And she showed that sharp knife also to him. The elephant was really, really upset. In the middle of the night, he just went away from there, never to return to that part of the forest. Here ends the story. So, what did you all understand? I think this story teaches us not to be greedy. We should never bite the hand that feeds us. So, this is the story. Hope you all enjoyed it. Again, like my story, share it, and subscribe. And please write your comments also to me. Now, I'll meet you again with another small story. Till that time, tata, bye bye.